What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Big Ant. We're over here changing the oil on this 95 Ford F-150. This is the baby right here. But changing the oil on this thing, thinking I'm gonna sell it. It's the OG right here. Just change the oil. Don't want to sell a car without changing the oil. Put that bad boy on. Just finished. I'm a mess right now. Of course, on the windiest day ever, I changed the oil. Got covered up. Look at this. Alright. It's just really clean, really straight body. Have a couple buyers lined up. If it does sell, it's gonna suck, but if it doesn't, I'm cool with it. Alright, I'm on my way to meet somebody for this truck. Let's see if she's gone. Dang. Finally sold her. Man, I'm gonna miss that truck right there. But it's time to move on. So I got these templates from CP Addict with the box and frame kit that you have to use the RSK kit with, and so far pretty good. I cut out the with the razor blade kind of precisely, well, as precisely as I could do it. That's it. So I just wrong way. I just put it on there. So I just laid this on here, overlaid over the holes, and I just punched it with a punch right there. And it says you need a 5/8. It says you need to drill a 5/8 hole, so I'm about to do that. I already did to the other side too. And that should be it. And this is the one I used. It was the sharpest one I had, so that's the one I used. Alright, this is the drill I'm gonna use. 5/8 from Harbor Freight. I got it from Harbor Freight because I don't be drilling holes these big every day, so I'm always gonna buy some expensive ones. And then I think I'm gonna start with a smaller drill bit so I don't toast the tip on that one. I need some WD-40. That's what I'm gonna use to lubricate it. The first hole is 5/8, and then the rest of the remaining 3 holes are gonna be 1/2 inch, which supposedly on my Sky Reversal kit, it says in the description it's a 5 inch, and it says I'm only gonna use 3 of the holes. So I might have to just 2, but I'm gonna try to get all 3. So have a you can't go wrong with another bolt. Damn, can't go wrong with another bolt. So we'll do that. Well, we'll do it first. We'll start off with the 5/8 and then work way up to there. Really, I wanted to put the rear leaf spring mount, so before I mount the other 3. So for now, 5/8. We got to trim that bracket from Sky, and yeah, let's keep going. All right, both 5/8 holes done right there. Yep. Now we got to cut off the spacers off that Sky kit, off the front leaf spring hangers. So guess we'll do that next. See what else we got. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And just see if it fits. All right, so these box frames kits from Sky, all you do is put them in here, line up. You can tell which hole's bigger. So of course that's in the bottom right corner. That's a 5/8 difference. All you do is slide it into your frame, match it up with your hole. That looks pretty good, but probably need 2 people to put stuff in. I wouldn't weld it right there. Well, I don't think you should weld it right there how it is. You could just line it up and just weld it, but that'd make it a lot easier. But I want like as weld it at the end, I guess. See if everything fits true, but you need two people to put that on. It's pretty heavy. It's like a good 30 pounds, probably 40 probably. And put that on there, see if those bolts line up, and then you just drill the rest out, and then you have the front. I think right now I'm running out of time because daylight's leaving, and I think I'm gonna take a shower the horse, so I might get to this later. I might take out these tie rods, and that'll be it for today. But so far So far, pretty good. All right, for the reverse shackle, you have these spacers on here that are made for four-wheel drive. You got to cut these off. After you cut those off, then they should fit on your frame. So, not too bad. Kind of hard to get in there with the grinder, but you'll manage. Got my little scrap bucket right here. Yeah, that's some really good progress right there. Mounting those front shackles on. Well, that RSK kit. It's gonna be pretty badass. And supposedly these trucks ride like shit, so that's a good upgrade for the truck already. Oh yeah, closer and closer. We do gotta see what's up with that drop rack, you know, for the track bar. But after that thing's put on, whew, that axle's coming. All right, got one side. This bolt you're not gonna use because I guess that's what the website says. You're not gonna use the top corner, and those were a bitch to get in. I kind of fucked up this tread on this one, but we'll put a new one in there. I'm on this one right now. The other side. Got the leaf springs mounted up. That is progress right there. I'm happy about that. So the hangers for the original truck, I took the rear hangers off of. Those hangers, the bolt size is a 7/16. The bolt size is a 7/16, right? But I have a bunch of 1/2-inch bolts, so pretty much I drilled pretty much I made this a 1/2 inch. And compressor just came on. Yeah, I gotta get this painted. Either way, I'm gonna take everything off, but I just want to see everything done, just getting it over with. It's nice. Oh yeah, look at her. She's looking real good. So after everything was bolted on, I finally had time today to actually install the axle and just, U-bolts. It's crazy. I'm excited. But I was scared of because, I kind of didn't measure it. I was looking at videos, right? I didn't measure it correctly. The wheel might be too much this way. It shouldn't be because, the way I have it. But it's looking the same as the other side. See, I kind of measured the front, of course. See where it was at and everything like that. When I welded everything in, my neighbor welded everything in. So, looking about the same. I got some new Moog tie rods that just came in, so I might be end up putting those whenever I actually finish the truck. Actually, the pitman arm, oh my god. I don't know if you seen my other video, but man, that thing is on there. I broke my tie rod. I broke my pitman arm remover. I guess I need to get a torch and just heat it up and then just take it off. With that, I need a new need a pitman arm remover. So see what's up with that. Still gotta add my track bar, which should go there. Everything, make sure everything comes out good. I don't know if my brake lines are gonna fit, to be honest. I think I'm for sure gonna need some other ones because this thing is big as hell. But man, this thing is gorgeous. So, all right, guys. So I'm finally done with my finals. So I'm finally gonna give this truck a little bit of my time. So right now I'm gonna start working on this rear axle. Try to take this thing off. Which, if you're just lifting yours, you leave your axle. But if you're leaving yours, all you gotta do is put your 6-inch block and you're done. And of course, change your shocks out. And of course, extend these things out. But that's pretty much if. That's pretty much if you keep you're keeping your rear drift, which I am not. I'm changing it for limited slip. So because I'm taking this off, I gotta unhook the drive shaft. Either way, I'm changing the tranny either way. Let's see what else. Take out that sway bar. Well guys, it didn't come out as planned. It's even hailing. What the hell? Like, all I had time was to take out my drive shaft, some shocks, the sway bar. All I could take off. Now it's fucking hailing on it. Come on. Come on. Just my luck. I was gonna do another day, I guess. All right, hell yeah. Shit's off. Had to cut these off right here. Thing was annoying. I don't know why. I guess the people before me, they, I think, you know, cut it off with the torch. So there was no just unscrewing them. I had the impact gun and I had the breaker bar out. But cut them. Either way, we're using the other bolts. The other horses. That dude's just chilling. I'll do it somewhere else, but all right, guys, that's it for that video. We got a lot of stuff done. Y'all like, subscribe. Y'all take care. Peace.